If you haven't already watched episode 1, 2, and 3 of the same series, I highly recommend that you go and watch that first. Thank you.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Good morning, guys. So I have to check out from the hotel at 11. अभी बज रहे हैं 9:15 and कल से we are planning कि pool चलते हैं लेकिन time मौका नहीं मिला. So now we're headed to the pool क्योंकि अभी हमारे पास 2 घंटे है before checking out. तो जा रहे हैं pool. I don't think I'll be able to record because I'm leaving my phone in the room. Pool के पास ले जाके there is no point, right? So pool से आके and then the initial plan was to go to Quebec City. उसके बाद we thought we were gonna go to Mount Trembla, but then both of these places are like 2 hours drive from here. And अभी according to Samir जितने भी food places हैं वो हमारी पूरी नहीं हुई है. So we are gonna stay here in Montreal. अभी is today too, and we're gonna eat from wherever we haven't eaten yet. तो वो सारी खाने पीने की जगह पूरी करनी है. So we are in Montreal. So pool के बाद निकलेंगे for breakfast and then देखते हैं how the day goes. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm ready. Where are we headed now? Okay, so I think we're going for the breakfast. So this is what we're wearing. Summer is just casual as always. And that's my yellow dress. So we're दोनों outfits yellow हो गए पर. So we wanted to go to what was the place called? Elomon Coco? No, for breakfast. बट हम पूरा रास्ता घूमे, हमें कहीं पार्किंग ही नहीं मिली. आई थिंक उसकी लोकेशन थोड़ी सी वो थी कि पार्किंग कहीं भी अवेलेबल नहीं थी. सो वी डिसाइडेड टू गो टू श्वार्ट्ज. So we're done eating at Schwartz. हमने जिसको भी बताया था कि we're going to Montreal, हमको हर किसी ने Schwartz recommend किया था, right? Yeah. For their smoked meat, because everybody who knows us knows we are a big time foodie, especially beef and meat is like our favorite. The meat was actually amazing. It was like literally falling apart and so well cooked. What did you think about it?
Oh, it was really good. Never had such smoked meat before.
Exactly. I've also never had such smoked meat before. And the chef was telling कि कितनी देर उसने smoked
It was 10 days marinated, 8 hours smoked and 4 hours steamed.
Yeah, so it was like long process. लेकिन long process के बाद the taste was like ऐसा नहीं था कि आप you eat something and it hits your tongue right away. लेकिन very mild flavor and like really nice. So meat was like really good. Now we're heading to Montreal. I think the name, I think the Montreal name was derived from that place, Montreal. So we're going there for the lookout. हमने जाना actually कल था, but somebody told us कि वहाँ पर hike है, and so we didn't want to hike because he hates walking. So फिर कल हमें पता चला कि there is a way to go there by car to the lookout. So अब हम जा रहे हैं कार वाले lookout point पे. So yeah, let's go there and let's show you how it is. So the next update is in Montreal. I guess it's just for Montreal, right? Or in Ontario too. Not sure.
Yeah.
The vaccination, proof of vaccination thing.
I think it's just in Quebec.
Okay, so in Quebec, if you wanna go in an indoor setup, you have to show them the proof of vaccination. So luckily we were vaccinated fully, लेकिन हम लोग के पास proof नहीं था. And proof is like when you get your second dose. So जहाँ से आपने कराई होती है वहाँ से आपको they send you an email. तो हमने पहले चेक नहीं की थी, फिर आज जब उन्होंने मांगा, so luckily we had that email in our junk folder, तो हमें वहाँ से मिली and हमने उनको दिखाया, so they let us in the indoor setup. So yeah, now we're heading to Montreal. और आज traffic बहुत है. I don't know, it's just a Wednesday. And even at Schwartz, इतना ज़्यादा लाइन अप था when we went there. और हम जब निकले तब भी इतना बड़ा लाइन अप था. and we were like already told कि वहाँ पर always like 30 minutes waiting at least रहती है. So that place is that famous in Montreal.
And it's a weekday.
And it's a weekday, Wednesday. और अभी दोपहर हो रही है. It's not like dinner time or something, but like yeah, it was very busy.
अभी next day खाएंगे?
And now this guy's already like thinking about the next place to eat. I don't know what's wrong with him. It's not a vacation. I think it's a food trip. So we would I think just let's change the name of this trip to food trip. ये Montreal trip नहीं है, ये Montreal food trip है. So now what's next food spot on your list, by the way?
The Portuguese chicken.
So he wants to have the Portuguese chicken. Maybe somebody recommended. Maybe we'll go to Montreal and then we're gonna go to that Portuguese chicken place.
And then we'll go to ice cream place.
And then we're gonna go to the ice cream place. And then you have anything else on your list to
And
eat?
maybe we'll go to that pastry place before leaving. Maybe. That's
Okay, so we have like a list of places where we want to eat. And that's the only reason we didn't go to Mount Tremblant today, because he wanted to eat in Montreal. So we are here in Montreal eating. We're here in Montreal. हम पहले गए तो there's like a way जहाँ से हम गए, and then there was a way जो हम follow करते करते बाहर निकल गए, तो हमको actually समझ नहीं आया कि सीन क्या हुआ हमारे साथ. So हम दोबारा घूम के आए हैं and now we're going back up to see कि I don't know if there's a way कि हम कार से निकल के lookout point पे जा सकते हैं या बस ये ऐसे ही देखते हुए निकलना है. we're not sure. So हम दोबारा आए हैं देखने कि सीन क्या है. तो यहाँ उतर के यहाँ से दिखेगा सब जो भी देखना है. एंड हियर इज द पार्किंग जो हमने आई गेस लास्ट टाइम मिस कर दी थी.
देख के चले जाते.
क्या देख के चले जाते?
पूरा
मॉन्ट्रियल ये ऊपर से है तो आप ऊपर से ही देख के चले जाते हैं. तो आप खाना कैसे खाते? सो ये है पूरा मॉन्ट्रियल फ्रॉम द टॉप. I don't know what that place is. जितनी ज़्यादा नजर आ रही है. So we're done with Montreal. We're heading to another food
Montreal.
place. Montreal. What did I say?
Montreal.
It's the same thing, I guess. Montreal. हम वहाँ का lookout point हो गया है. Now we are heading for some coffee. It is
Cafe Olympico.
Cafe Olympico. तो अब हम वहाँ जा रहे हैं for coffee because हमने सुबह से coffee नहीं पी. I got you cappuccino and I got myself hot chocolate. क्या है ये? कैसी बिल्डिंग्स है?
French building. French.
कहाँ होती होगी ऐसी बिल्डिंग्स?
France.
क्यों? यू आर यूके born क्या था? यूके सिटीजन ना?
मैं?
या और you're French boy.
Avenue Park de ऊपर का रहा.
कौन से प्लेन चोर? Avenue de Park.
Lime souvenirs को बैक किया.
Reparations.
Gianni Main Street.
ये क्वेबेक में 2 लोग आके फ्रेंच बन चुके हैं एकदम.
Yeah, totally French.
Totally French, but this guy, he was born in France. He forgot because then he moved to Pakistan. और वो बड़ा होते उसे भूल गया कि वो born कहाँ था. बताओ ना.
बर्फ में कैसे लिचड़ियाँ खा के गिरते होंगे लेकिन ऐसे गोल.
So we are at the next food spot, which is Ma Pol Moil. I don't know how to pronounce it. So this is the spot. हमारा Montreal का usual eating spot. What did you get?
I got Portuguese chicken poutine.
Yeah.
Half chicken, half grilled chicken, and 2 tarts.
Tarts.
Oh, yeah,
Okay,
the Portuguese
let's try.
tarts. They're really good.
I haven't had it ever.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Oh,
no.
they're amazing.
Okay, let's try it. Nice.
Oh, this is Fairmount.
Yeah. Oh. So where were we yesterday?
We went to Sandwich VHR.
VHR, but I think it's in the same location.
You want
because-
some bagels from here?
No, I don't want any bagels. अच्छा है? Passion fruit अच्छा है? And how about that one? That's I think
I
that's
like the
their
chocolate.
famous one.
Yeah, but I like the chocolate better. Chocolate is better, right?
I don't know why I see a lot of Teslas in here in Montreal. I think they really promote electrics.
Electric vehicles, yeah.
They do?
Yeah. Because in Montreal, you get almost $13,000 tax from the government if you buy a electric vehicle or a Tesla.
30,000 back from the government.
Yeah. So 8,000 from Quebec City and 5,000 from federal government.
Oh wow, so they get like a rebate. That's why they're like
There's a lot.
Teslas are all over the roads. Today जब हम cruise में थे तब भी at the end of the cruise they said that like the cruise is like 100% electric and like yeah, which is actually good. So yeah, I think Montreal really promotes no pollution cars.
So, but it's just for Quebec.
Is it for Quebec? Not like the entire Montreal?
No, Quebec is the whole province. You idiot.
So Quebec is the oh my god, you idiot. So Quebec is the province and Montreal is the city.
Yes, the whole Quebec, Montreal. They get like $8,000 extra, but all over Canada you only get 5,000.
Oh, I get it. If we talk about the things that we liked in Montreal, what was the thing that you found different from Toronto and what was the thing that you liked the most?
The smoked meat.
Oh yeah, apart from food. Can you get over food?
Apart from food, I don't like anything.
You didn't like anything?
Just the girls are nicer here.
So अगर differences की बात करें, so I think Montreal में taxes बहुत ज़्यादा. It's like 15% on everything you buy. So Toronto is 13%, but still it's 15 here. और दूसरा ये कि we noticed कि tips जब आप किसी restaurant जाते हैं Toronto में tips start from 10%, यहाँ पर 5%. 5, 10, 15. Here it starts from 15%, 20%, 25%. So I thought that was like really different. और especially अगर आप Toronto में कोई ऐसी normal सी जगह पर चले जाए like you know Tim Hortons या कोई ऐसा चालू coffee shop वगैरह, so there are like no tips, but here आप कहीं भी जाए you like you have to pay the tip. So I think वो भी एक difference था. Apart from that,
It's not you have to pay the tip, but that's their culture.
yeah, it's a culture. It's like your मतलब expectation है कि you will tip them. So I think that's the difference. उसके अलावा हमारी overall trip पे weather में बहुत अच्छा मिला. It wasn't too cold, it wasn't too hot. It was like perfect weather for the vacation. उसके अलावा hotel was good too, right?
That was good. Just the room was really old.
He thought the room was a bit old, but the hotel overall was really good. उसके अलावा overall trip was like 10 on 10. We enjoyed ourselves, or I think we should do it more often. What are your thoughts on it?
Yeah, we should. I really like the food here. We will come back.
Again, food. Okay, so the food was good,
So
and
that's why हम इधर आए, right?
yeah,
खाना
for
खाने
food.
के लिए. That's it.
So if you have to select one place for food, what would it be?
Schwartz.
I really like
I really like the smoked meat
yeah.
and bagels. Were
Yeah,
really
bagels were
good.